Hi and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be installing the Razer Viper Mini grip tape here from Razer. We'll do a quick review on it on the Viper standard wired here. So check that out. This is going to be the install for the grip tape here. So this grip tape comes in at 10 UK pounds, or $9.99 US dollars. And it'll be interesting to see what you get here on this one. We're going to get some side grips and some left and right buttons here as well. If you're wondering why my Viper's been drilled, I've done a weight reduction video on it, check that out, I'll put a link in the description. Just brought it down to around 50 grams or less, depending on how far you want to go. So from Razer, no alcoholic wipe, which is a bit of a shame to see here. But you do get the grip tape. Comes in a little polythene sheet here. Let's start with the buttons first. This should just peel off nicely. It's a nice diamond shaped grip tape here. And these have been trimmed to fit the Viper perfectly. What you can't do here is add any more grip tape to it. Like you could do something like the lizard skins. I'm going to be reviewing the core pad grip tape very soon as well. A lot of different mice. It'll be interesting to see what they're like. If you haven't already, check out some other videos. Starting to get a few now on grip tape. We've done hot lines as well. So far they're fairly easy to fit here, like the right size. And there's the button straight away on it. And then you got the sides as well. We'll just measure the last one in thickness as well. The left side. No spares of this one like you get on the Viper normal one, where you get a spare set of buttons, but on the other Viper one, the wired one, standard size, ultimate, you get extra buttons, you don't get any side grip tape. This 1.5 now. So you're concerned around the additional thickness here, it's going to change your grip slightly, I wouldn't be too bothered. It's a shame here again you don't get any rear grip tape for the rear palm of this. And overall the stickiness looks pretty good. You can just keep repositioning it as well. And there's the right hand side as well. Not bad. Overall, it's not bad for 10 quid this one. At least you get a full set of grip tapes on this. So, decent enough here from Razer. Would have been nice to see a clean wipe. If you haven't seen the other grip tapes that I've done for lizard tape or for true grip, which should be out very soon, check out that video. Got a full review here, full detailed latency test for the Viper Mini as well. If you haven't seen that, go and check it out as well. So until the next video, I'll see you soon. Catch you later. Bye bye.